Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a glowing edge highlight using blending modes in Photoshop. I bring my subject into Photoshop and duplicate the layer. Silence here helps precision. I apply a soft brush mask around the edges, then change the blending mode to screen. Watch the glow breathe into the edges. I gently stretch the word glow because glow is emotion, not brightness. I add a faint color tint that matches the mood of the image. I reduce opacity until the effect feels elegant. I stop moving for a second and just observe. This pause trains taste. Then I sharpen only the highlighted edges slightly. The result feels magical but controlled. This is how professional